Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on Target Uniform Services. And in this video, we'll discuss essay topics of UPSC 2019 Assistant Commandant Examination. And the first topic we are going to discuss is the Earth is not for humans only. So before starting the discussion, I want to make an announcement that Target Uniform Services has launched a course named Top Rankers, in which we will provide 25 tests, in which 20 are mini test and 5 are full length test. And the thing is, this course is free of cost. Anybody interested, any student or candidate who want to enroll in this, please contact on this Telegram number or on this WhatsApp. So let's start the discussion. The earth is not for humans only. First of all, identify the tone of this statement. What is the underlying tone? What is the underlying tone? It's a debate type of, or it's a assertive statement. What kind of statement it is? It is not a debate. Okay? Because there is no question mark is given, but it's a assertive. Assertive means you have to write in support of that statement, because already so many things are happened. Climate change is there, loss of biodiversity, loss of wildlife is there, okay? Ecological disbalance is there. So in this context, UPSC has asked this question in 2019. So I've told you, first of all, before writing anything on the paper, you have to do the brainstorming in your mind only, or anywhere in the space provided in the your answer booklet. So what is directive brainstorming? In this, you have to identify the keywords in the given statement. What are the keywords? You can see in it. I can see the earth is a keyword, and not is a keyword, and for humans only. So why the particular examiner is saying the earth is not for humans only? Because human has done so much harm to this earth, and we can see this in this particular evidences. There are evidences of climate change, there are evidences of biodiversity lost, there are evidences of sea level rising, there are evidences of forest fire. So many things are there. So how we write this particular topic? We know the most important part of any essay, it's the introduction and the conclusion. So how we can write a good introduction? In introduction, can you quote some report of like World Wide Fund? In 2019, this particular World Wide Fund body, they have given a report on Living Planet Index. Living Planet Index report. In this report, they have highlighted that around 68% of the invertebrate population is extinct. So इससे अच्छी स्टेटमेंट क्या होगी? बिकॉज वी हैव आंसर्ड द जिस्ट ऑफ दिस स्टेटमेंट. आपने इसकी जिस्ट को आंसर कर दिया, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द प्राइम एविडेंस के ह्यूमंस ने क्या किया है. तो वर्ल्ड वाइड फंड की जो रिपोर्ट थी, लिविंग प्लैनेट इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट्स, दे हैव सेड दैट 68% इनवर्टिब्रेट पॉपुलेशन इज एक्सटिंक्ट. सो व्हाट एल्स यू कैन कोट? कैन यू कोट द IUCN को रिपोर्ट ऑफ रेड डाटा लिस्ट कि this much population or this much category of wildlife is extinct? Can you quote any IPBES report that was also in news? Can you report any sustainable development report? This report can also be quoted, and so this can be your introduction. So now come back to the main body. आप main body में क्या लिखेंगे? उसके लिए आपको brainstorming करनी है. जैसे you have to write some incidents, main incidents, like humans ने क्या किया है. humans have done so much harm to this earth in the form of, like, we have seen a human animal conflict. Human animal conflict we have seen. Let's take a classical example of India only. A tigress called Avni. She was shot down by one particular hunter. Government has hired this hunter and she was shot down because she has eaten at least 13 men in the Karnataka only. So this is a prime case of human animal conflict. And how did it happen? Because humans itself, they have encroached into the territory of animal. Okay. Another case we can see here, elephants. Time and again we have seen the elephant entered into the fields of farmers, cause much destruction to their field. And we have seen a classic case of in Kerala, a dynamite or something was given to a female elephant, and unfortunately she did lost her baby and her life also. So that was a very tragic incident. You could have caught this also. And what else you can talk about? Can you talk about human induced as a human animal conflict? Maybe can we talk about the poaching? Humans kills animals for their this expensive parts, like human poach tiger for their skin. What else we humans poach elephants for their ivory. Okay. What else? Rhino for their one horn. So these are very fascinating, parts of a animal, and these are they seek very high revenue or high price in the market, black market something. So what else you can quote in this? Can we quote more on human induced destructions, like Amazon forest fire? It's a classical example. We have seen so much fire in this forest. It is all due to the human greed, because Brazilian government, they wanted so much land, resources, and this Amazon forest is enriched with that. There are so many coal entrapped in that region, minerals entrapped in the region, water and wood, timber. So government deliberately put that Amazon forest on fire so that they can use that land to extract that resources. And why it's a concern for a whole world? Because Amazon provides so much oxygen. That's why it is called as the lungs of the earth. Can we quote an Australian fire incident? In which so much loss of wildlife and people's property is there. Australian fire incident. Can we call California fire incident? It is all due to climate change. These are the example of a climate change, Australian and California, because the lifestyle and the development model. Development model of a country is totally based on the energy consumption. We have extracted coal and we have utilized to some extent. Now it is at the verge of extinction. ठीक है. So coal जब भी हम यूज़ करते हैं, it release carbon dioxide, which further release the temperature of the increase the temperature of the earth. So the faulty development model, ठीक है ना, the race for the development between the countries. So this has increased the climate or the climate temperature. What we called is global वार्मिंग। तो ये सर्टेन आपको कीवर्ड्स ऐसे लिखते टाइम आपको यूज़ करने हैं। हाउ इट विल हेल्प यू, इट विल मेक योर ऐसे मोर एनरिच्ड, इट विल मेक योर ऐसे मोर current oriented, and examiner will feel more interested while reading your answer, because sometimes there is a tendency examiner read नहीं करता है most of the copies because they feel हर एक ऐसे में सेम चीज़ें लिखी हुई हैं, बिकॉज दे रीड द सेम थिंग्स। और ये सब आपको कहाँ से आएंगे, ये दिस हाउ यू कैन एनरिच योर ऐसे वाइल रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर और वाचिंग सम ब्यूटीफुल डिबेट्स। ठीक है, आपको वहाँ से एनरिच हो जाएगा। यू कीप ऑन वाचिंग डिबेट्स, न्यूज़पेपर्स, दिस विल हेल्प यू। सो अगेन कमिंग बैक टू द दिस टॉपिक, what else we can quote on human induced destruction? Human induced destruction, can we quote this land degradation? There are so many cases of illegal felling of trees or forest, या फिर डिफोरेस्टेशन वी कैन कॉल्ड इट। फॉरेस्ट इज अ होम ऑफ सो मैनी वाइल्ड लाइफ, it's a home of tiger, it's a home of elephants. So what we do is, if we decrease the size of a forest, it will decrease the area of particular tiger. So again the prey base बोलते हैं, जैसे tiger hunt for a deer or anything that is omnivorous. So tiger hunt for a deer. If we cut down the forest and grassland, so the deer population will decrease and the tiger has to move on more to the human areas. Then again we can see a human animal conflict. So all these things are interrelated. How land degradation will force a human animal conflict. And what else you can talk about? Can we come on the Indian scenario? Can we talk about the Indian scenario? The Western Ghats, the Aravallis. Western Ghat, a committee called Madhav Gadgil committee, they have given so much recommendation, like stop illegal constructions in the Western Ghat, because it has already created so much disturbance in the pristine environment, and there are many instances of landslide, there are instances of forest fires, there are incidences of loss of biodiversity. And the Madhav Gadgil committee plus Kasturi Ranjan, वो भी इनके मेंबर थे, they have also recommended that this whole Western Ghat area should be designated as ecological sensitive area. ठीक है, that is a Indian case. और क्या कर रहे हैं हम, जैसे इन्होंने एक और रिकमेंडेशन दी थी कि we should promote eco tourism. The tourists which brought plastic bottle with them and plastic wrappers, that should be collected there only, and there should be also a proper robust solid waste management system in the hilly areas, because वहाँ पे गैदर करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो डिस्पोज दिस सॉलिड वेस्ट। सो ये तो बात होगी प्रॉब्लम्स की। अब सॉल्यूशन पे हम आते हैं, हाउ यू कैन सोल्व ऑल दिस थिंग्स। सो फ्रॉम देयर ओनली कैन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस poaching. What are this certain mechanism to deal with the poaching? Indian government has enacted a Wildlife Protection Act 1972, and what else? At the international level, we have made a particular convention sites. It is called as Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. जो मैंने आपसे भी बात की थी कि people do or the poachers do trade in the tigers, elephants, ivory and rhino one horse. To curb this kind of activities, international government or the national government should join hands to curb this, and we should disband or to close down these markets where the illegal selling of this part take place. So this is the important convention. आपको याद रखना है साइट्स, वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सो जो हमारा और क्या था, डिफॉरेस्टेशन. जो डिफॉरेस्टेशन पे हमने बात की थी, हाउ यू कैन काउंटर द डिफॉरेस्टेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉरेस्ट राइट एक्ट. ठीक है. एंड लैंड डिग्रेडेशन के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट समिट वॉज हैपन इन इंडिया अंडर UNCCD, यूनाइटेड नेशन कन्वेंशन ऑन डेजर्टिफिकेशन, जो नोएडा में हुई थी इन 2020. ठीक है, आप इसको याद रखना, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो हर एक चीज़ में जहाँ पे हम डिस्टोर्शन देख रहे हैं, डिग्रेडेशन देख रहे हैं, दे आर सर्टेन कन्वेंशन एंड मैकेनिज्म थ्रू विच वी कैन डील. ठीक है. कैलिफोर्निया लाइक फायर को या फिर ऑस्ट्रेलियन फायर या फिर ब्राज़ीलियन फायर को रोकने के लिए व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी हैव अ फ्रेमवर्क व्हाट वी कॉल एज पेरिस क्लाइमेट deal, under which we have taken a pledge to decrease the rising temperature of earth under 2 degree Celsius. ठीक है. that is a Paris climate deal. और क्या mechanism है, there is a mechanism of IPCC. ठीक है. it's a agency which understands or which research on the climate change. ठीक है. what else we can quote? Can we quote a very important thing like sustainable development goals? If every human adopt these 17 goals, there will not be any problem of wildlife losses. ठीक है. ऐसा कोई केस नहीं होगा, बिकॉज देर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स इन 17 गोल्स. इक्वालिटी, लाइफ अंडर मरीन, लाइफ above terrestrial. ठीक है. there are so many things. And talking more on the Indian side, Indian government has also started a national wildlife action plan from 2017 to 2031. आप ये याद रखना, in which they have created a framework and certain guidelines how to provide सिक्योरिटी एंड सेफ गार्ड टू द वाइल्ड लाइफ. एंड इसके अंडर क्या है, जैसे वी हैव द सेंचुरीज, वी हैव द नेशनल पार्क्स, वी हैव वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज. ठीक है. वाइल्ड लाइफ रिजर्व्स, देयर आर सो मैनी थिंग्स टू कंजर्व द वाइल्ड लाइफ इन दैट एरिया. सो आई होप आपको इससे कुछ आइडिया मिला होगा कि हाउ यू कुड हैव राइट ऑन दिस टॉपिक. ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में. और करंट अफेयर्स, अगर आप करंट अफेयर यूज़ करेंगे ओनली देन यू कैन गेट अ वेरी हाई स्कोर. ठीक है. अराउंड 13 मार्क्स यू वुड गेट इफ़ यू राइट इन दिस वे. सो अगेन थैंक यू. विल ब्रिंग another topic in the next video.